Hair that is blow waved goes with everything and never goes out of style. So today, in a few easy steps, we're going to show you how to get that classic, beautiful blow waved hair. Whether your hair is wet or dry, make sure you section the hair with a tail comb, as it gives you a targeted area to focus on. Applying mousse to the roots really gives you that extra bit of volume. For this look, you want the hair to curl inwards around the face, and the best way is to get a round brush, curl it in towards the face and the ends of the hair underneath. Let it sit for a few seconds, blast that heat, and then let it out. Don't move the hair, let the cold air set that curl and volume. If after extra volume, use a little powder that is a volumizing powder in the roots. So with the front section of the hair, so you get that beautiful curtain fringe, the best way to do it is use velcro rollers and then just either leave them like themselves or you can pop a bobby in so they're secure.